Let's talk about mental health. A lot of different ways to get taken care of. You can see a mental health professional, psychiatrist, you can take medicine. There's some other things too, and Mother Nature offers that to us. Getting outdoors, sunlight in the morning, sunlight throughout the day. For me, which is another reason why I'm happy we live here, is I've got all the mental health professionals I need right behind me, right there in the ocean. It seems like there's nothing better for me than beach therapy, than saltwater therapy. Get out here in the sand to enjoy myself, be alone in my thoughts, or with friends and family. Right now, my family's up there running around collecting seashells. And so people will tell you mental health and health is health, and they're good-meaning people, but I would offer you've got the mind, the body, and the spirit. And taking care of your mind is a little bit different, obviously, than taking care of your bones and your ligaments and any injuries you have there. And so really focusing on your mental health. And I would offer too that whether you need to see a mental health professional or get the medicine, whatever you need to do that as well. And consider adding some Mother Nature to your mental health care, because there's nothing at least better for me. A long time ago, I was offered some medicine and I realized it was turning me into a person that I don't want to be. And so I don't take that stuff anymore, because luckily I don't have a situation where I need to. Find that cure, find that therapy, find that help. Maybe not necessarily the cure, but some assistance there, and some good old Mother Nature, whether that's in the snow, the beach, the mountains, a trail, somewhere outdoors. Get some. Thank you.